Alright. In case you didn't think Minnesota could get hot, we're in the middle of a heat wave. It's been about 100 degrees over the last, I would say, a week or so, and it's looking to continue. So good thing we're getting out of here on Friday. Let's go see how the temperature is inside the RV after being toasty out here. Alright, let's take a look. 105 in the RV. Alright, one of the things I wanted to do was to install the heat strip for the Dometic for our air conditioner. It's hard to believe I'm doing that in 98-degree weather, but it's going to be much cooler up in the Finger Lake, so I think it might be worthwhile to try to install it. Hopefully it's the right model, but we'll see. All right. Woo. Okay. Hopefully you guys were able to see the steps. It was too hot to stop. I just needed to get it done. Basically, screws around all four parts of the interface here. Interface, I couldn't find the right word. Basically, unscrewed all this. 2 more screws in here. This whole fascia comes down, and there is space where you could add in the heat strip, and then there also is a cover. You saw me put it on that it covers the heat strip so that the heat of it itself does not impact the plastic here, because obviously that's dangerous. But it was a pretty quick install. I think it was like a few minutes, and I just tested it. What you do is you turn the dial to optional heat, and then voila, there was heat coming out. So that's the biggest job, and that's done. Now back to the actual cleaning of the place.